basically what we've got here is I've added a small alternator to the Peterate one, and the reason for that is on the rally field I use an electric scooter due to an issue I've got. Ignore the bodge-tastic wiring, it's not as bodge-tastic as it looks. Just temporary hung there. If we look at the ammeter, it's actually running backwards because I've thrown it together. And you see it's just off 0. The charging indicator lamp is actually the backlight for that ammeter. If we look down the business end, nice steady voltage. All in all, successful trip.